Open any browser, type .NET framework repair tool. Click to this. Then scroll down and click to download. It is done, so single click to open this. Then click to yes. Then I accept and license I have, and then click to next, and now this is installed. And then next. Then next, open new tab, download .NET framework. Scroll down and latest one, click to download. You can see the download. Just single click. Then next. Finish. Then guys, close it. Then next method. So click to start, type service, right click to run as administrator. Then click background, this background installations, transfer service. So double click to open, starter type automatic, then click to start, and then apply, and then OK. Then select, then again click to restart. If already started, already is working, start, so you can click on restart. Okay, then close it. So this is a SFC scanner. So how to run? This is command. I will give you this command in the video descriptions. So open CMD, click to start and type CMD. Right click to run as administrator. Then yes. So this is first command. Okay, copy and paste. If guys it is not copy paste, so you can type manually. Okay, so step by step, one by one, enter the command. This is first, second, third, fourth. Then second, then third, Then last